For the values here, we're using a SumIF formula. So what we're saying is, I want to calculate the sum if the column BB is equal to, with that comma, it's asking for the criteria, so equal to cell G2. So H2 and G2 will align. H3 and G3 will align. So SumIF, the cell or the value in the B column is equal to G2, and then what I want you to calculate is anything in the C column. And it's the same with these. The only thing that changes on these is the G number. So I have G2 in here, so these are all Alex Bregman. G3 in here, so all these are Justin Verlanders. You want to make sure that you got those cells aligned properly, or else you're going to get the total for somebody else put into the wrong spot. So just show you one more time and delete this out of here. So start with equals, SumIF, open parentheses, it's asking me for my range, and I just selected the column, comma, my criteria is, so I want that sum to be equal to what? I want it to be equal, or I want that value in the B column to be equal to what? I want it to be equal to Alex Bregman, and then comma, and then what am I adding? You're going to add everything that would be in the C column where Alex Bregman is in the B column. And that's it. You can retype it for each one, or a nice simple trick is just grab this little box down here, drag it right, it's a left click if you're right-handed, left click on your mouse, click, drag, and drop. And so it pulls that G13, pulls the G12,